Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Stars and Bars. This is my second video of our 100 days English speaking journey. Today I want to talk about why I want to learn English. English is an international language. People all over the world speak English. So if I know English, I can talk to people from different countries and make new friends. And learning English is also helps within my studies and my career. If I speak English well, I can understand more information and get better opportunities in future. The another reason I want to learn English is for my confidence. When I speak in English, I feel proud and confident. I can share my thoughts to everyone clearly. So, English is crucial to communicate to people in this generation. And learning English is also fun. I enjoy watching English movies, animes, and reading books. These activities makes learning easier and interesting. So I want to learn English because it helps me to connect with the world, people, and helps with in my career build confidence. I will keep practicing every day to become better. If you also want to learn English, don't wait for the perfect time. Create the perfect time and start practicing. Practice is the only way to build your confidence and learn English much faster. Thank you. We will see in our day 3 video. Subscribe our channel and comment your progress. Thank you.